Alright, this is the Ozark Trail version 2.0 teepee tent. Now, this tent holds up to 7 people, and it's a pretty nice looking tent. I'll be honest, I really wasn't expecting the color. I was expecting more of a lighter color instead of a dark color, but I like it a little bit more better with the dark color than the light. Hello folks, welcome to Campersincommon. I am Cody. Today we are getting a Christmas present that I've been waiting for a while, but mail's been kind of bad recently. I got here a brand new 7-person teepee tent. This one's a little bit different than my last one. And I hate to say that I lost my last teepee tent because it got destroyed during the 4th of July weekend during the bad storm. So, let's get to it. Let's see here. Okay, Ma, this is the part where I need you to come in. I'm going to be asking Mom here to grab the box while I hold the tent. It's like a candy wrapper. A very insane candy wrapper. Pull!
Sorry, I lost it.
Weakling. Hold on, I have it upside down here, ladies and gentlemen. Here is my new teepee tent. Oh, and I also like to give a special thanks for my grandmother, or she likes to be called KK, for getting me this tent for Christmas. So let's find the zipper here. Oh boy, another box within a box. Just so this won't blow away from the wind.
I didn't bring any stakes.
Doesn't this thing have stakes with it? Even though they're the cheap, crappy ones, they're still stakes.
Have everybody spoiled to the good stakes. So.
Comes with little ropes.
I laid out and show all the pieces.
It didn't roll out. There's the stakes, the weather protector, I'm guessing. Yeah, I remember. It's just trying to find them all. We're having technical difficulties here.
Well, that's because you've got the thing. There you go. Okay. I think we need to put a stake in somewhere, at least one.
Here comes Mom with the stake.
Do I get to do that?
You kind of have to. I have a bad back.
Well, how are you going to set up the tent?
Think you do it?
Where's the front?
Right in front of me.
So let's turn it around. interesting. See, I didn't even need the hammer. Cool. So do you want the instructions or do you want to figure out how to do it?
Let's redneck it.
Okay.
Let's see here. Another piece of cardboard. Okay. Can you get the other? Lock that one in place.
Get it off that. There you go.
Now we got it halfway set up. Now we just have to find the little orange buttons that are on the corners of the tent and have it go up. Mom, I might need your help here.
Sorry, I'm taking a picture.
Pictures later. Oh, that's supposed to click? I can't get this one to click either.
Oh, unhook it.
What's... I still can't get mine to click.
Here, come help me with this one. I'll hold it down and you pull up. Just let that one go. There you go. I'll pull down, you pull up. Ready?
Mom, maybe it's because there's no...
I don't think that is any good. Okay, you hold it down and I'll pull up.
Hold on.
Maybe this. Okay, now pull.
I got it.
So note to self, you have to take the pins off. Hang on. Which is a problem because you have to have the pins too.
That was all you.
Put it back down. Because neither of us are tall enough to do that. Did you get yours out?
Ouch.
Yeah. So I take that as a no or a yes?
No.
Well, do that before you leave.
I think the problem is I have it clicked on the wrong thing.
Okay. Now you just gotta do this.
thought you said you got to click back in.
Oh, I did until I had to put the thing back up there.
Ah! I didn't have it.
There you go. I think the problem with the steak I just pulled that right out.
I already broke the steak.
How did you break the steak?
I put my foot on it.
Maybe I should have given you the hammer. Okay, let me have a couple. Can you do those two?
No.
Hey, I'm already not liking this tent if I have to set it up.
Ma, it's not that. It's my back.
Which means that every time we use it, I have to set it up.
And that is your punishment.
For what? Wanting to go camping? This is the coolest tent, Cody.
I know it is.
If it was any harder than this, I wouldn't be setting it up for you. Just so you know.
Ma, I think that's a little, give it a little loose. That's a little tight. You're gonna rip it.
No. I'm not. Because these stakes are so wimpy, it's gonna pull out before it rips. Come on. I love these elastic straps. They're awesome. Okay.
This tent is very, very nice looking. We're about to go inside, have a quick look at it, and probably take it down and call it a day. What do you think, Mom?
I think we should live in it so I don't ever have to take it down.
You didn't put the second rope on it?
Something Cody didn't mention about his bag here is that it has an extended zipper. You can unzip it and it gives you extra room to get your tent tucked away. Like adding a whole half bag. And that's a pretty good team addition.
I never even knew that.
Hold on to that. Watch yourself.
I was gonna say, do you just want to move it over to the picnic table?
No. I just have to take all the air out of it. Put your bag down. On the bench, on the bottom.
But the wind will let me.
There you go. Yeah. Now that I have it zipped up, we can turn it over and zip up the bottom.
I think we should just leave the bottom alone.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, it's your tent, so we'll let you do you. Okay, did you clean up our campsite?
Yes.